how to insert multiple rows in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. I'll show you how to insert multiple rows in Microsoft Excel in today's video. This is super useful when you need to add extra space in your data without doing it one row at a time. Let's dive right in. Open up your Excel file and then first select the number of rows where you want to insert the new ones. So I am going to select the cells. So once you have selected the existing rows, here I want to insert 3 rows below. So I will make sure to select 3 existing rows and then right click and tap on insert. So there you go. It's as simple as that. Excel will instantly add the same number of new rows above your selection. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.